However, still you need one place to sit and have a proper working workstations. Let me be very frank. My some of our friends are working in the leading firms and they have not opened their offices from past 2 years, but still they're working with 100% efficiency. How? Because they are given infrastructural support to the employees to work from home. They reimburse, let's say, take for example, setting up of table, chair. They have reimbursed such amounts, and the employees have set up a proper infrastructure at place. As Chopra ji also said, we are not now using the air conditioners of our office. Rather, we are using many other things at our home itself. The cost of repairing and maintaining the offices have gone down. The conveyance cost have gone down. Now you can simply set up the office very easily. First challenge that comes to your mind is about infrastructure. That I have answered. The second thing which comes to your mind about setting up an office is regarding staffing. Now the commutation have been a hindrance have gone down. It has totally eradicated the problem, the hindrance of commutations. One of our office staff is now working from 60 kilometers away, coming office only 2 days a week and working 4 days from home. We are very satisfied with his work performance. You can now recruit person here sitting in Delhi to Bangalore. You can recruit the person from Bangalore, start working, and then you can have much more cost effective staff and working in an efficient manner. You now can have an infrastructural development of part-time working in office. And when you have part-time working, now you can have part-time facilities also. You can engage certain employees who are working part-time, who work part-time and they can save your cost. This is the technological as well as resources aspect. When I come to the last point here, the last point would be engaging the new clients. The engagement of client is very important. आपने ऑफिस खोल लिया, सिस्टम खरीद लिया, सेटअप कर लिया, सब कुछ कर लिया, वर्क फ्रॉम होम में हायरिंग कर ली. How to actually engage new clients is the major challenge. Engaging the clients start with brand building. There come a role of specialization. Understand now our profession is similar to like a doctor profession. Only not only MBBS would suffice. Now you have to do specialization. I myself do a specialization in indirect taxes. Might be you are good at income taxes. Another person is good at FEMA. Another person is good at capital market. Now you have to have specialization. I come across many new, fresh chartered accountants. They totally have a belief and say, Sir, now I want to do international courses. Today I met a chartered accountant who said, I want to do something in capital markets. When I said you want to do something in capital markets, have you ever planned about CFP? Let's say for an example, certified financial planners. He said, yes, sir. I have thought about CFP because it is an international accredited degree. When I say international accredited degree, he said, not only I am going to gain degree, I have to gain the knowledge also to get the international implementation to our economics. Many of our chartered accountants have good brains in information technology. Specialize and do DISA and then do CISA. So you have to engage yourself. Can I tell you one fact? I met one chartered accountant who did DISA as well as CISA, then who did expertise in information technology audits, and now he is empaneled with the courts, Indian court, judiciary, to just carry the forensic thing in relation to information technologies. He is one specialized person to do information technology related forensics. ऐसा नहीं है कि उसने बहुत बड़े इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सेटअप किए. He just had an infrastructure that is his in mind. He now incorporated many kind of resources in his mind. I have always and always read something called sharpen your axe. Means अपनी कुल्हाड़ी को हमेशा हमें शार्प रखना है. And our sharpen axe is brain. Our market is our brain. We have to invest stock of knowledge in our brain. Lead to specialization. Lead to specialization, and that will be the key to success post pandemic.
Optotex, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotex in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have, and it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, and who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotex in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotex help tax professional in making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotex from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotex. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotex. In just 2 minutes, Optotex fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotex, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotex now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2A. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotex. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Skipping this all the basic slides, because already many people are using, but still if you're not using, please do sign up. And support, we focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotex. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotex.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotex. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotex. This is the software link, https://gst.optotex.com. Google Chrome browser. It works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotex. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the tax professional community, to help the tax professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.